Alright, welcome back to the LCP Digital Learning Channel, and today's quick tip is going to be something I think most teachers would really appreciate. So I see a lot of teachers split screening or doing multi-screens on their MacBook so that they can show one thing on the TV but then have something else on their other screen. This is going to replicate that just a little bit, but instead of having two screens, we're going to split screen. So what I would be doing normally as a teacher is I would be airplaying from my iPad, and so what the kids would see right now when I press play is this full screen presentation. So I could be going through my presentation, this one's about Seesaw, but maybe, for example, the kids want me to Google something, and I don't like to Google in front of the kids. If you split screen by pulling up from the bottom, taking Safari over to the side, and when you drop it in this black side, the only thing the kids are gonna see is what I'm showing them full screen on Keynote. They will not see this right-hand side. So what I can do is pull this bar over to the left so that Keynote is small. So when I'm airplaying, they will be seeing full Keynote on their television, but what I get to see is maybe I have Seesaw up so that I can be checking on the kids' Seesaw work. Or maybe I want to Google something. Maybe the kids have asked me about something, so I can Google over here, or I could have pages to where I'm reading some notes while I'm presenting. Or even better, if I pull up from the bottom, take Apple Classroom, drop that in this side, now I can monitor my kids in Apple Classroom, but still be able to show full screen my Keynote presentation. So I can go through my Keynote presentation here small, big screen's gonna be on the TV, and then over here, I am the only person that's gonna be able to see schoolwork. So now I'm able to have that kind of two screens all in one. All right, I hope that quick tip was helpful. Have a great day.
If you found this video helpful, make sure and hit that like button.
To make sure you get more videos like this, be sure to click right here to subscribe and to click the bell to make sure you get notifications.
If you'd like to submit a topic or concept for future videos, there's a link in the description down below.
And if you're looking for more digital learning tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Twitter.